Sometimes you have a person, he thinks he is powerful. He wants to harm you. You know what happens? In his harm for you, your contentment is greater than his own anger that he has within him. Yet you are the one who is wronged and he is the one who thinks he is right. That is from Allah. That is from Allah. When the ulama of aforetime were imprisoned, what happened to them? They were excited in the jails. And those who jailed them died of stress. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Imagine. They were happy because they says, قَدَّرَ اللَّهُ وَمَا شَاءَ فَعَلْ. I'm happy here, I'm excited. I will make the most of my time here. They were happy. And those who did harm to them were the ones who were at a loss. They couldn't even sleep at night, yet in the prison, these ulama were sleeping very well. This is just an example I'm giving you to show you that when you wrong someone, sometimes that person has greater contentment than you will ever taste at that particular time.